Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable automatic dubbing on YouTube. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube Studio. On left side you see settings, so click on it. Now pop-up setting open and then you see multiple option. Now you see upload default, so click on it and then you see basic info, advanced setting, monetization. So click on advanced settings, so click on it. Again you see multiple option and then you see automatic dubbing and then you see learn more, so click on it. Now back to YouTube. Now enable option and then you see allow automatic dubbing. Enable this option. If you want, you can enable or disable this option according to requirement. Now you see manually review dub before publishing. We uncheck this. Now enable and then you see two options, review dubs in all language and then you see review dubbed in experimental language only. These languages are more likely to contain translation error. Now go to link again. Now you see use automatic dubbing and then you see experimental language, French, German. Now you see all and then you see turn on automatic dubbing for your channel. Check the allow automatic dubbing box. If you would like to review the dub before they are published, check the manually review dub before publishing box. Choose either review dubs in all language or review dubs in experimental language only. So this is our experimental language. Now you see consider experimental. So it's up to you. So you can enable any option and you can read all instruction here. Now you see. Now back to YouTube Studio. So you can change this setting later also according to requirement and then click on save. Now setting save done. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.